Eric, reconsider this.
I've stayed longer than intended. I have to find my bride. Our sole purpose is to be together.
She tried to kill you. She does not love you.
She was being flirtatious and coy. There are complex mating rituals between humans you don't understand, Bogdana. No one loves a woman who makes things too easy.
She does not love you. Why can you not face this?
No.
Why did you lock Ivan outside?
Because I'm uncertain he would understand.
Understand what? Please, Eric. Don't leave. I don't want to be alone.
I would never let you be alone, Bogdana.
Сергей? Какво се случи?
Съществата командо си са избягали, принцесо. Направихме всичко, което можахме, но не вярвам, че от тук насетне ще представляват някаква опасност.
Ами трагично е, Сергей. Те са заблудени от собственото си правителство, но ние нямаме друг избор. Затова трябва да ги намерите.